What is up, KK Sensation boys? I'm back again with another vid. Just gonna be playing with my dog and all the fun stuff that he can do. I really ran out of ideas. If you have any, put some in the comments. I have no time. I don't know. So my friend, one of my best friends, is right here. He's gonna film me, and then I'm gonna film him. Nice. So yeah, he's just doing he's so much better at Orange Justice than me. So I'm gonna throw the ball.
Nice.
What? Oh, dog.
Bro, what even happened? What is he doing, yo? Bro, this kid is crazy.
I hate you, doggy. I'm so bad the dog cheats me out.
Exactly, I was gonna say that.
3, 2, 1, hi. This kid.
By the way, the dog is a pug.
He's like 3 years
Gotta
old.
go fast. Bada bop boom.
Nice. Give me it. Huh?
You like flow guppies?
Yeah.
I do.
Nice.
Did you end the thing?
Okay. Now John's gonna play with the dog.
My ball now.
I'm running so fast. Okay, now we both go for the ball. Whoever gets it first wins. Got it? I'm gonna be videoing since I don't trust you. Look at that face. He couldn't hold the camera for 10 seconds. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Well, Louie gave up the ball.
I feel like that was too easy. Don't you think that was too easy? Yeah, okay. Louie can get the ball. Ready? Take it. Now go. Now ready? 3,
2, 1, go.
go. Let's get her through. Let's get
He just
Get out of my game, kid. Yeah, ball. My ball now. That does not count. It's 1 to 2. It's 1 to 1. I mean, no,
Louie.
it's 1 to 0. Ready? 3, 2,
1, go.
I'm the dog. No, that does not count. Look at it. Okay, now you're gonna film. And now I'm the dog.
Nice.
I'm doggy now. Okay, ready? When I say go, you come. Stand back. 3, 2, 1, go.
Fast. Louie. Oh, he just chucked the ball at me.
Go, let me go. That concludes today's video.